All right, get ready, because today we're going deep into neurotechnology and brain-computer interfaces.
BCIs.
Yeah, BCIs,
Yeah.
exactly.
Which is,
This stuff is like something out of science fiction.
yeah.
Controlling devices with your thoughts,
Oh, yeah.
restoring lost functions,
Yeah.
even like enhancing our abilities. It's moving so fast.
Absolutely.
And to help us wrap our heads around it, we're looking at Jen Hatfield and Alec Tyson's Neurotechnology and Brain-Computer Interfaces.
Great piece.
Yeah, I was really struck by the idea of living computers.
Living computers, it does sound like sci-fi, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, but it's becoming real.
It is. So scientists over in Sweden, they're using actual human brain cells.
No kidding.
Yeah, to create these biocomputers, and they're amazingly energy efficient.
Huh.
I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
Our brains, they can process so much information using hardly any energy compared to, like, our regular computers.
Right.
These living computers, they could be the answer to some really tough problems in medicine and AI.
Yeah, the things that our current computers just can't handle.
Exactly.
So when you have Neuralink, Elon Musk's company,
Right, pushing the boundaries.
yeah, they just made a big splash by
Yeah.
putting their first computer chip into a human brain.
That's a huge step.
The idea is to give people the ability to just control things with their minds.
Like mind control, basically.
Basically, yeah, which would be incredible for people with disabilities.
Oh, absolutely. Can you imagine somebody who's paralyzed being able to control a wheelchair?
Or prosthetic.
A prosthetic limb. Just by thinking about it, that's what Neuralink is shooting for.
It's amazing.
It is early days, though, we have to remember.
Oh, yeah, for sure. There's so much more research and development to do before this is, like, widely available.
And of course, safety and effectiveness are paramount.
Totally. And it's not just about controlling devices, though, is it?
No, not at all.
There are so many medical applications for BCIs. The article highlighted some really promising areas like helping people with neurological conditions.
Yeah, that's right.
So what can you tell us about that?
Well, BCIs, they really do have the potential to change how we treat things like Parkinson's,
Okay.
epilepsy, even spinal cord injuries.
Wow.
Researchers, they're looking at how BCIs can actually bypass damaged nerves.
So you're talking about restoring movement for people who are paralyzed?
Exactly. It's incredible.
It is pretty mind-blowing.
It is, to see how this technology could give people back their independence and, just improve their quality of life.
For sure. And then there's all this stuff beyond healthcare.
Oh, yeah.
The article touched on things like neuromorphic computing and how that affects AI.
Right.
Could you break that down for us a little bit?
So neuromorphic computing, basically, it's about designing computers that work more like the human brain
Okay.
to mimic its structure and the way it functions.
So like copying the brain.
Exactly. And this could lead to AI systems that are way more efficient, adaptable, and just plain smarter than what we have now.
Wow.
Imagine AI that learns like we do, that can come up with creative solutions and even understand emotion.
Okay, that's both exciting and a little scary.
It is a bit, isn't it?
Yeah, it really makes you think about the future and how this kind of technology could really change our lives in some big ways.
It does. And with any powerful technology, we have to be aware of the potential downsides. So there's a lot of work being done right now to make sure that this neurotechnology is being developed and used responsibly.
Okay.
And addressing concerns about privacy,
Right.
security,
Yeah.
all those ethical considerations.
Like we're opening this door to a whole new world, and we have to be ready for whatever's on the other side.
That's a good way to put it.
So to wrap up this deep dive into neurotechnology, I'll leave you with a question.
All right.
If we can merge our minds with technology, where do we draw the line between human and machine?
That's a big one.
Yeah, it is. And it's only going to get more relevant as this field keeps developing.
Absolutely.
This tech has the potential to revolutionize medicine, change how we interact with the world, and even redefine what it means to be human.
We're really just scratching the surface here.
It's a future full of possibilities, but it's up to us to make sure those possibilities are used for good.
Couldn't agree more.
So that's it for this deep dive.
Until next time.
See ya.